Hello students, today I'll be presenting a video for BBA students on the subject Business Environment, which is meant for the first semester, and the paper title is Macro Factor Socio-Cultural Environment. So we shall discuss what is socio-cultural environment and what are the major factors of socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural environment introduction. Business is an integral part of our social system. So business operates in the society. Since it does its business in society, it has some social responsibility towards the society. Every business works in society. So society's different factors like family, education institution, religion affects the business. The social system influences business, which in turn is affected by business. Socio-cultural prominence contributes to the changes in the concept and the objectives of business. Therefore, socio-cultural factors are very important, and ignorance of these factors may pose serious problems to the business. So any businessman, he should understand what is the social and cultural values. The important socio-cultural factors which impact business includes culture, language, religion, social system, level of education, customer preference, social institution. Now, culture. So, culture is nothing but it is a software of mind. It consists of specific learned norms based on attitudes, values, and beliefs, all of which exist in every society. It is a culture of the mind. Language. So, India is a multilingualistic country, so marketers must plan their advertisement campaign in national as well as local paper. For example, Pepsi's Come Alive slogan was considered offensive in some places, as it to the locals it means come out of grave. So there will be, when the company is going for the international business, in such cases it will face such type of problem. Religion. So religious belief, conviction, customs, rituals, festivals differ from one group to another group. So business may suffer heavy losses by ignoring religious sentiments of customers, employees, and others. For example, Muslim religion does not permit taking or giving interest. Hence, there is a great scope for Islamic market. McDonald's does not use beef in India and pork in Pakistan. Different colors are used for IPL team. Chennai Super King uses yellow because it is a favorite color of Tamil Nadu. So these are some beliefs. Social systems. So caste, communities and family system do have an influence on the buying pattern. So there is also a dramatic shift in our culture has been seen in the changing role of an women. So when most of the women go out for working. Okay. So since she is a earning member now, she demand those product which is time consuming, and she shops for consumer convenience goods. Level of education. So education institutions are also main part of society. They provide good knowledge, education, awareness, thinking. What should students buy and not to buy? Suppose if a student is habitual to drink the tea, and if the teacher advises him it is harmful for his health, after the guidance or advice, students can avoid to drink tea. After this, the sale of tea might decrease. So this is a simple example. Customer preference. The needs and taste of consumers vary significantly from society to society. North Indians, they prefer chapati for dinner, while South Indians, they prefer rice for dinner. So preferences change. To conclude, we can say that business is an integral part of social system. The social system influences business, which in turn is affected by the business. Sociocultural factors are very important. Ignorance of dimension of sociocultural environment leads to serious problems. Thank you.